Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make your taskbar translucent. So basically meaning see-through. It's a pretty cool theme thing you can do. It's not included in Windows, but you would have to download something, and it's pretty lightweight and just pretty nice the way it works. So first you want to go to the Microsoft Store, and you want to search translucent TB. So I have it here already, and this is the one by Charles Miletti, and you want to basically download it. All right, I already have it downloaded, and once you have it downloaded, press open, and that's pretty much it. You guys can see on my desktop I have it translucent now. The whole image stretches to the bottom, which is pretty nice in my opinion. And then once you have that, you will have this thing on this tooltip thing on the right side, and you can just leave it there. And if you do want it back to normal, just right click this, exit, and it will be back to normal. So yeah, that's a pretty cool trick. It looks really nice in my opinion. Let me know if you guys like it as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.